today, eh? Yeah, I know. We have to lose weight. You my little porky. Oh, don't worry. When I say you're my little porky, it's because you're my cute little porky. I, on the other hand, is a porky, but not a cute porky. You want some lettuce? After all, we are on a diet, aren't we? What happens when you have to diet? You have to suffer to be beautiful. And we've been watching what we've been eating, where lettuce with nothing on it. And the problem with that is you get sick of eating funny food, or maybe you feel like you're grazing like a cow or a lamb, or I prefer a lamb, actually. I can graze like a lamb. Yeah, that'd be cuter than a cow. But I'm getting sick of lettuce. I need something substantial because this is not swinging it right now. It does at the beginning, but after a while it doesn't work anymore. So let's go to my kitchen. We'll see what I can cook up. One more? Good girl. So Zoe, we're in our kitchen and we're going to make the muffins. So I'm going to put you down so I can get to work, and then you can taste it. What do you think? Do you want to taste it? You just want to be in front of the camera, don't you? So as I mentioned, I'm making muffins. Everybody thinks they have the perfect muffin recipe, but I'm the one that has the perfect muffin recipe. This is a recipe my mom used to make us when we were kids. Yes, back then, a lot of sugar, a lot of fat. I have cut the fat in half, and I've cut the sugar more than half. But I've used alternatives to keep it sweet. I have put everything, the measurements, everything in these bowls, so you didn't have to see me shake so much, and hopefully it'll go faster. Okay, so first off, I'm going to take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to put it here in the bowl. Next, I'm going to take 5 teaspoons of baking powder, and I'm going to put it, yes, 5 because we want them to rise. We don't want them like yucky. I think that was 3, 4, and 5. You notice I'm not even measuring because it doesn't matter. If I had put in more, you get that aftertaste, so I can't go more than 5. So, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. Now, if you believe that this recipe used to use a whole cup of sugar, so I cut it down to 1/4. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take Crisco. A little pinch of salt, because we have to get the baking powder to work. And again, I cut this in half because it was a cup. If I tried using less fat, I tried using different fats, butter. But again, I want a muffin that tastes like a muffin. So here I added in the Crisco, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to work it in like a pie crust. I have to show you this. This is too funny. My mother, she used to take 2 knives like this and go like this to go like that. Next, I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 eggs. So I've got 1.5 cups of milk right here. I'm going to just put the egg in. So I got my flour again here. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add my cereal. So bran cereal, you can use Bran Buds, you can use almost any brand, and I'm putting 2 cups. Would you believe my mouth is watering already? Isn't that ridiculous? Oh, okay, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 3 chopped and peeled apples. Next, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of broken walnuts. Walnuts, why? Protein, of course. A little more sweetness with some dates, 1/2 cup of chopped dates. Anything you don't like, you don't have to put in. And of course, 1/2 cup of raisins. So, as I said, I'm just mixing it up. I want basically the flour to coat everything. That way, it won't sink to the bottom. Now, I'm going to add my milk and eggs, and I'm going to pour it all in at once. Remember, you have to do that all at once. Non-grease spray, I should show that better, but I think everybody knows what that is. And I got my muffin tins. I know what you're going to say. You're going to say, what? You're not using paper liners. That's right. Anyway, so here are muffins, and it's going in the oven. And my oven has preheated to 425, and I'm going to wait 20 minutes. Reminds me of my mom. They're hot. I should leave them in there for a while, but I can't. Look, can you see the steam? I don't know if you can see that, but I'll zoom in. Give me a minute. Moist. You can see they're moist. They're not too sweet, which I like. And I think I'm going to end up digging into this. My mother, as I told you, made these muffins. And that's why I call them Mamoo muffins, because my son, when he was young, he couldn't say grandma or mom or whatever. He was very little, and he would call her Mamoo. And it kind of stuck. So that's why I call these Mamoo muffins. Later. In the bowl here, I decided to make another batch of muffins, but I did not add the walnuts, the raisins, the dates, and the apples. I'm now going to just add milk and the eggs all at once. Remember, all at once, and I'm just going to mix that up. I have this fruit cocktail drained. As I told you, if it doesn't work out, I ain't showing it. So I'm going to use this baking dish. Honestly, I don't know, guys, if it's going to work, but I have to try. I better not let Tracy get it. She's, knowing her, even if it doesn't work, she's going to put it in. So if you want to try this, please, by all means, let me know. Or make your own version of it. That would be good too. All right, into the oven it goes. I think I'll do that with the camera off, just in case. Okay, till the next time, guys. I'm back to Dee's kitchen. God knows what will be cooking up next.